purpose of this demonstration is to show how to use the EPG, which stands for Electronic Program Guide, on the ViewSat 3000 Myra X box. Press the EPG button, and on the left hand side you'll see the list of channels. On the right hand side you'll see the rows of programs that are coming on. The green line denotes where we are at this precise moment in time. So you can see you can go down and then you can go right, and it will show you what's coming up. Simply press back to come out of it. Thank you for watching the video. For more information, visit viewsat.ae or download our mobile app ViewSat TV Guide, available for Android and iOS devices.